I think the hematology workforce in the future will look quite similar to what it looks like today, because I think we've come, quite a long way, but there might be a few changes as well. So nowadays, a lot of hematologists subspecialize into a different area, whether that's myeloid or lymphoid or clotting or transplant. And I think it's quite important to have these subspecialties because, having a hematologist who looks after one very specific illness means that they will get quite good at that one particular disease, and patient outcomes will, be better. So I think in the future we'll have a lot more subspecialists. However, it's vital to know the importance of the general hematologist, especially in district general hospitals, where being a subspecialist may not be the best option for the majority of patients. So I think in the future we're going to have a lot more subspecialists, which is a good thing, but we also need to have general hematologists as well. I also imagine that in the future we're going to have a lot more integration between the clinical and laboratory hematologists and our laboratory staff, such as biomedical scientists and clinical scientists, because one team really works well without the other. It's a marriage of the two, and that needs to happen. For example, in the trust that I work in, we do have biomedical scientists attending our morphology meetings, and in that way, the hematologists can pass on their knowledge of morphology to the lab staff. But also, it's important for the lab staff to share their knowledge with us. At my stage, I'm still learning quite a lot about diagnostic tests, such as the different type of FBC coulters used and the different types of special coagulation tests available. And it is these clinical and biomedical scientists who educate, us junior, registrars. So I think in the future, there's going to be an even better, more integrated team involving the clinicians and the laboratory staff. So I think that's what the future of hematology is going to really entail. A lot more subspecialists and a lot more involvement of different aspects of, the hematology team.